What's up, everybody out there? Today we are going to be doing the first fuel treatment test on our new test vehicle, the Q50. It only has, as you can see, 48,000 miles on it. So normally I do these on the maximum when it got higher mileage, or the Rogue, or the Fit, because you know they're over 1,000 miles, so they're going to have more buildup in them. But I'm curious if a lower mileage car like this will benefit from a fuel injector cleaner. So what I picked up was Gumout Regane Complete Fuel System Cleaner. Now these are different than the ones at Walmart. These are the ones from AutoZone. These are the ones you see every couple of months, buy one, get one free. This is actually a bigger bottle. It's almost double the size of the one at Walmart for basically the same price. So I'm running to Ashland today to start building the fuel system on my 350Z because the Vortex supercharger is in the mail. So I'm going to drive that way, and then we're going to see if it does increase it, because on the way back I'm going to throw it in the gas tank, and then we will see from there. So stay tuned. All right, everybody, we made it to Ashland. I got 27.2 miles a gallon according to that. So now we're going to go to the Shell station. We're going to put in our Gumout Regane. We're going to drive to Lexington. All right, everybody, we just filled up at our local Shell station here. Put our bottle of Regane in. Now we will reset the tripometer. We will reset this when we get on the highway. We'll go down the highway. $30 for a little over half tank gas. I miss those COVID gas prices. Reset my fuel economy. Turn my cruise on. Same speed as it was coming down here. All right, everybody, we are back in Lexington. We ran into some rain. I got 25.8 miles coming back. Exact same trip, exact same mileage on the cruise, nothing was different. So I did get a little bit less gas mileage.